Imagine flying over the Sahara Desert today. Endless dunes, blazing heat, almost no life. But what if I told you this same desert was once covered with lush forests, giant lakes, and roaming animals? Not millions of years ago, just 5,000 to 10,000 years ago. The Sahara was actually green. So what happened, and could it happen again? Thousands of years ago, the Sahara looked completely different. Scientists call this period the African Humid Period. During this time, massive rainfall transformed North Africa into a thriving ecosystem. Satellite images reveal ancient river channels buried beneath the sand. There were huge lakes, larger than some modern seas. One of the largest was Lake Megachad, which once covered an area bigger than Germany. The landscape was filled with grasslands, wetlands, forests, and rivers. And wildlife thrived. Fossils show that hippos, crocodiles, elephants, and giraffes lived across the region. Even early humans settled there. Rock art found in Tazeli Naja shows paintings of swimming people, cattle herds, and wild animals, all in a place that is now one of the driest regions on Earth. So why was the Sahara green? The answer lies not in Africa, but in space. Earth slowly wobbles as it rotates, a motion called axial precession. This wobble slightly changes how sunlight hits the planet over thousands of years. Around 10,000 years ago, this shift strengthened the African monsoon. Warm air rising over the continent pulled moist air from the Atlantic Ocean deep into the Sahara. The result: massive seasonal rains. Rivers flowed. Lakes filled, and the desert turned green. But this paradise didn't last forever. Around 5,500 years ago, something dramatic happened. The monsoon system weakened. Rainfall began to decline. Vegetation slowly disappeared. Without plants to hold moisture in the soil, the land began reflecting more sunlight, making the climate even drier. This created a powerful feedback loop. Less rain led to fewer plants. Fewer plants led to hotter, drier land. And within a few centuries, the Sahara transformed into the massive desert we know today. Human populations were forced to migrate. Many moved toward one of the few remaining lifelines in the region, the Nile River. Some historians believe this migration helped shape the rise of ancient Egyptian civilization. Here's where the mystery gets even more fascinating. The same planetary cycles that created the Green Sahara still exist today. Earth's orbital changes repeat roughly every 20,000 years. That means the Sahara could theoretically become green again in the distant future. But there's a twist. Modern climate change may be altering these natural cycles. Some climate models suggest parts of the Sahara could actually see more rainfall in the coming centuries. Others predict the desert may grow even larger. Scientists are still trying to understand what will happen. But here's the most mind-blowing part. Under the sands of the Sahara today, there are still hidden rivers, ancient lakebeds, and buried ecosystems waiting to be discovered. Meaning the world's largest desert is actually hiding the ghost of a lost green world beneath its dunes. And the Earth itself still remembers it.